We have a lot of clients who live on the coast, and corrosion is obviously a big issue for anyone who lives within Kiwi of the water. And so we do tend to preference higher quality components because they come with a 25-year performance and construction warranty. And so of course, if you're going to be right by the coast, you're going to be in your home or in your business longer term, then obviously it makes sense to go with a product that has a 25-year warranty against corrosion. But there's also wind. I mean, in Kiama Heights, where I used to live, my God, did we get wind from every different direction. And you need to have a panel that's not going to crack under those conditions. The other thing is shade. I mean, you can get shade anywhere. Shade is a killer for solar. So you want to have both panels that have multiple bus bars, but also inverter technology that gets around that issue.
Definitely right. So yeah, not all solar is the same. So one big factor also is the aesthetics, or the visual look on panels. Customers are very worried about the visual appeal, so that's why we choose the panels that we choose because of that. One of the major factors in this area is the salt mist corrosion being so close to the coastline. So you really need a panel that's certified and protected against that. A lot of the cheaper ones are not, so you could run into some problems with warranty claims and some faults in the future.